Hey guys, and welcome to Crazy Days. Today, it's a little bit of a crazy day because I'm going to show you my crazy candy corn craze. It's just went wild, guys. The ladies, the men, everybody's getting in on this. And hey, candy corn. You see? I see candy corn in everything. Someone posted in Deep South Homestead Gathering Place these beautiful flowers, and they look like candy corn. I had to comment. Every time somebody puts something up, it's got to be candy corn. If it's got orange, white, yellow, beautiful. This plant right here, hey, is candy corn. I'm going to show you up close what it looks like, giving you some pictures here and there. This was sent from Jenna from Life in Farmland. I love it. It is blooming like crazy. Can you guys see? Those are beautiful. That is called a candy corn plant. Hey, everything's candy corn. I know it started out as a joke from Jen at the Nut House. She sent me 5 pounds of candy corn. Since then, I have over 30, I think I'm up to 34 different kinds of candy corn, which is awesome. I've got a display. I'm going to take you in and show you my display. I've got candy corn socks. I've got candy corn lights, candy corn nightlight, candy corn cup. It's going crazy, and I love it. Thank you, guys. I'm going to show you my cabinet with all my candy corn stash. You guys remember this cabinet that was in the dining room? We moved it into the foyer as you come in our front door here. It is in the foyer, and I have been adding candy corn. Like I said, I have like 33 different flavors, maybe 34 by now. And I'm not going to try and tell you what all these are right now, but most of them, like this is called the Brunch Favorites. This is like strawberry waffles and chocolate pancakes and a French toast and maple syrup. I tried to put labels on most of them so I would know what they are. I've got red, white, and blue. I've got the witch's teeth, M&M's. I've got the candles. I've got Christmas, caramel here. These are chocolates. These are sea salt chocolate, see? I tried to put the names. But you see the mini candy corns, the pumpkins. Down here, we even have them. These are like gummies types. I'm talking all kinds. Blackberry. I can't remember some of the caramel apple. These are like Valentine's. You get down here, I have my big nightlight. Easter. These are Starburst. Didn't even know they did Starburst, did you? These are eggnog. I've got a 5-pound bag of eggnog ones, y'all. Christmas is going to be fun. Red, white, and blue, different from the red, white, and blue up top. Not sure on this one. Oh, cookies. 3 different types of cookies in these. More of the regular. Down here. Hey, y'all see this? This is socks. I should put these on, shouldn't I? Just so I know. Scary shapes. It even has candy corn, banana, caramel, and sea salt chocolate in these scary shapes. Candy corn marshmallows. These dehydrate great, and they're wonderful. Cafe favorites. Caramel, I don't even know how to say that, vanilla latte, and espresso. So these ought to be some awesome coffee ones. Sour Patch candy corn, orange and grape flavored. These things are actually really, really good. I had to try them. They're good. Pie favorites. This is apple and pumpkin pies. These are really good too. I had to try 1 bag of these. And candy corn in M&M's. I do have some of those up there, but somebody had sent me some more. So M&M's up here already. I'm adding to my cabinet as people send me things. I'm going to be continually moving around and adding these down here to it. But let me show you the one thing that's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Miss Bernie Max sent this. Isn't it gorgeous? It has a bunch of different types of crocheting stitches in it. And she sent me, can you see this? An explanation of each one of the stitches. It has the town square, the fence around the square, the night at the movies, which is a popcorn stitch, picnic day ants dancing 2 by 2, egg hunt, crisscross applesauce, and the basket weave. And she sent that to me. But isn't this gorgeous? This is what's going in the candy corn cottage. If we ever get it up and off the ground, I have things galore for my candy corn cottage. Thank you, Miss Bernie Max. And guys, meet Willa. This is my candy corn troll. Sherry, my big sis from Two Family Homestead, she crocheted this little dress for her and sent her to me, and I love Willa. So she's going to be one of my little trolls. Thank you, Sherry. So I got these lights here in the greenhouse, and we're going to turn them on shortly. I haven't had time to get them plugged up. I've got them running here, and they are candy corn lights, of course. I'm going to see what they look like at night, one of these nights when I get out and plug it up. And Heidi at Rain Country Homestead did an awesome job on my skirt that's in the beginning and the end of this video. Y'all check her out, Rain Country Homestead. And this candy corn collection started out as a collection. Now, I'm beginning to think I have an obsession. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.